Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem PayPal gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap open your PayPal application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Wallet button located at the bottom right-hand corner right where it says Wallet. Tap the plus icon next to Cards. Now select one of the options from the display. You'll need to enter your password for your PayPal account. In order to do that, enter your credentials correct and tap Login. Soon after you do that, you can now add your gift card by typing a gift card number into the text box and tap the Next button. Once you add a credit card or a payment method, tap the Next button in the bottom. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to add a gift card for PayPal as well. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.